Descript comes with a decent selection of fonts, but if you can't find what you need, you can upload your own font. One important note before I show you how to do this is you have to be on Descript's paid creator or pro plans to do this, so it won't work on the free tier. So to add a new font, first of all, you have to have a text layer. So I'm going to go ahead and add one by adding a title, and then it brings up our text option in the properties bar. And all you do is click on the font drop down. You find this little button right here that says add fonts to drive. It's a cloud with an up arrow. I'm going to click on it, and it now says add fonts to my drive's name, SMB video drive. And by default, I can search for a Google font. So one of my favorite fonts is Montserrat. So I can easily add that. Montserrat normal is already added, but I could add Montserrat alternates. So I click it, and then it says add to drive. It prompts you again. And we get this little toast that says adding Montserrat alternates to drive, and it won't take long. And it's done. Montserrat alternates added successfully. And we can go ahead and find it in our drop down, Montserrat alternates. There it is. Now, another way to do it is back to our font drop down. You can go add fonts to drive. You can do the search for Google font that we just did. Or if you click out of that box, there's this link that says browse Google fonts. And if we click it, it opens up our browser. And if you don't know, Google maintains a font library at fonts.google.com. And basically, you can see here they got dozens or even hundreds of different fonts, including in other languages. We got Japanese, we got all sorts of different things. We got different types of scripts, basic modern type of stuff, everything you could possibly need here. You can change the languages and find the font that you want. So let me just go ahead and select one of these, Lato. And I can download the font family with this button in the top right. It saves as a zip file. If I open up that zip file, unzip it, it looks like this. I get .ttf files. And what I can do with that, I can simply drag these in. Descript takes .ttf or .otf files. Those are the two types of fonts you can add. And then I upload it. Again, it's prompting me add fonts to SMB video drive. You can change the thickness if you want a thin font all the way up to extra black, which is 950 weight, or you can make it italic. And then you click this little I verify that every user of this drive has the right to use these fonts. Add to drive. Once again, we got our little toast adding font Lato, and it's been added successfully. I show you the upload method because in addition to getting it from Google, you can also just buy fonts off of the internet. If you Google your favorite font and then download, you'll be able to find it. A lot of them you'll have to pay for, but a lot of them are free as well. A very famous one is the bold font, which is available for free. That's a popular font used in TikToks, but you download it as a .ttf or .otf and then upload it using this method. Once you've uploaded a font into Descript, it is available to your entire drive, meaning if it's shared, your shared editors will also have access to that font. But if you have multiple drives, the new font will not be in your other drives unless you upload it there. If you found this useful, give this video a thumbs up.